Good morning, students. All of you are fine at your home now? Yes, I know all of you are fine. Beta, you tell me, many of you are living with your grandparents. Do you help them out? Yes, na? Yes. We should help our grandparents. Okay, beta. So today I am going to start our chapter TD meets grandfather. Who meets grandfather? TD meets grandfather. First I will tell you the summary of the story. So beta, summary goes like this. Here is a little girl and she lives with her aunt Dete in a small town in Switzerland, and grandfather lives alone up in the hills. One day Heidi and her aunt went to meet the grandfather. They left the house in the morning and they reached the house of grandfather in the evening. Okay, and grandfather was having two lovely goats. How many goats? Two lovely goats he was having. He was sitting outside the house on a bench like this doing, and then he said, "Good evening, grandfather." Grandfather replied slowly, "Good evening." And then Aunt Diti said that, "Heidi, just remain with your grandfather. I am going to Frankfurt. You know Frankfurt? It is a airport, famous airport. Okay." She said that I am going to where? Frankfurt, and you remain with your grandfather. Then he was very excited, very happy to see the surrounding of the house. It was surrounded with fir trees and everywhere greenery was there, valleys were there. She was very happy. And then what happened? When she went inside the house, she examined each and every corner of the house. As you do when you are going to somewhere new place, na? Yes. And then she asked, "Grandfather, where should I sleep?" Grandfather replied, "Anywhere, as you want." And then she found a ladder and she climbed up the ladder. Then she found herself in a hayloft. She found herself in a hayloft. Hayloft meaning? Hayloft is a place directly under the roof where hay is kept. Now you will ask, "Ma'am, what is hay?" Beta, hay is the dried paddy leaves that the farmers give them to the cow. They eat, na? Yes, we all know that one. Okay, beta. Then what happened? Heidi just looked outside from the window and she enjoyed the surrounding of the house again. And she made a bed for herself. And then she is asking for a sheet. And then grandfather again climbed the ladder and he gave a sheet to Heidi. And then grandfather said, "Are you hungry?" Heidi said, "Yes, I am hungry too. We should eat something." As you feel hungry now, when you are doing a lot of work from morning till evening, you feel hungry now? Yes, beta. So now the story ends. Now I am going to tell you what word meaning and make sentences. So first I am going to write the word meaning. Okay, beta? WORD, word meaning. MEANING, word meaning. So beta, first word is remember. First word is remember. REMEMBER. Remember means be sure. Be sure. 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 Number 2, beta. Next word is Alone. Alone. Alone means what, beta? Having no one else present. Having, Having, having no one else present. Done. So beta, next word is pile. Next word is pile. P-I-L-E, pile. Pile means to keep the things one on the other. To keep the things. To keep the things one on the other. One on the other, or we can say heap. We can say it heap or heap. H-E-A-P, heap. Now we come to the next word, beta. Next word is enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy means to take pleasure in an activity. To take pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Pleasure in an activity. Done, beta. So we come to the next word is examine. E-X-A-M-I-N-E. Examine. Examine means to look carefully. To look carefully. Done, beta. Now we will do the make sentences. So beta, the first word is remember. First word is remember. We are going to do the make sentences. M-A-K-E, make sentences. Sentences. Again underline it like this. Okay. First word is remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Okay. The sentence will be what? We should remember. Means we have to be sure. We should remember to touch the feet of our parents. Done, beta. We should remember to. Is it clear? Are you able to see it properly, beta? Is visible now? Yes. We should remember to touch the feet of our parents, or we can say of our elders. Now second word is alone. We have to underline it here and here also. Yes. Alone. Do you know who live alone? Yes. Sages. Sages live alone in forest. In forest. Sages live alone in forest. Now we come to the next word. That is the third one. Third one is what, beta? Third one is pile. P-I-L-E. Pile. Okay. So make sentence of pile. Pile. My mother piled. My mother piled. My mother piled all the groceries, groceries on counter. Okay, beta. Done. Next one is fourth. Fourth one is enjoy. Fourth one is enjoy. Okay. Enjoy sentence is what, beta? The word which we are making the sentence, we write it here and then again we underline the same word in the sentence. You all know it now? Yes, beta. So enjoy. I enjoy. I enjoy watching good films. Okay. I enjoy watching good films. Okay, beta. So the next one is what, beta? Examine. E-X-A-M-I-N-E. Examine. We underline it here. Our teachers examine our copies. C-O-P-I-E-S. Done, beta? Now we will do the question answer of this chapter. Yes, beta. Now we are going to do the question answers. So, beta, first question is what? Where did his grandfather live? So, beta, answer number 1. His grandfather, G-R-A-N-D, grandfather. Where did is there na? So live will become what? Lived. His grandfather lived. Lived where? Up in the hills. Lived up in the hills. Okay. Now we come to question number 2. Question number 2 is what, beta? Did Heidi enjoy her new surroundings? Yes, I have told you in the summary na? Yes, she enjoyed her new surroundings. What did she love about it? So we are going to write the answer. First we will write what? Yes, comma, H capital. Yes, Heidi enjoyed her new surroundings. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoyed her new surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Yes, Heidi enjoyed her new surroundings. She loved what? She loved the fir trees, and strong breeze. And what, beta? And strong breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Now we come to question number 3. So, beta, question number 3 is what? Question number 3 is, what did Heidi find in the hayloft? Sweet smelling hay. Okay. Heidi found a large heap of He of fresh, comma, sweet, 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 smelling, what? Hay. Sweet smelling hay in the hayloft. In the hayloft. Done with that. Now we come to answer number 4. Question number 4 is what, beta? Why did grandfather climb up the ladder? You all know the answer? Yes. So beta, answer number 4 is grandfather climbed up the ladder, to give a sheep to feed it. Done, beta? So we have done question answers. Now learn it and watch very carefully. Bye, beta.